The two faceless TikTok pages you can see on your screen right now are making anywhere from $2,000 all the way up to the 5 figures on the creativity program beta. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what niche they're in, the types of videos they do, how they put these videos together, how much money they make exactly. And of course, if you stick with me up until the end of the video, I'm going to reveal exactly what the names of these TikTok pages are as well, so you can get your own creativity program beta faceless journey started and earn money on the beta as well. Hi, if you're new to this channel, my name is Victor. This is CreatorBug, where we help you unlock the life that you want using content creation as a vehicle. I upload multiple times a week. If you're not subscribed, you are gonna miss out. Let's jump straight in. Okay, so both of these accounts are in the random facts niche on TikTok. The small account only has 29k followers and the bigger account has 200k. Now, if you're looking for a niche for your new faceless page, this is one of the best options on TikTok, simply because of the following 5 reasons. Reason number 1, it's evergreen, meaning it's not seasonal. People are always going to be curious about interesting facts, whether it's winter, summer, Christmas, New Year's, etc. It's just something people are always going to be searching for. Reason number 2, if you quickly search random facts on TikTok, you'll also notice that there are nearly an endless amount of suggested searches, which means this is a broad niche. It has sub niches like horror facts, fun facts, health facts, positivity facts, etc. The list goes on. So this will never run out. You will never run out of content ideas. Third reason is when you search random facts on TikTok, you will also notice that even small new accounts are getting views and followers recently, which means it's not just the larger accounts that are getting engagement. New accounts also have an opportunity to make a name for themselves. And reason number 4, you have next to 0 chances of being flagged for copyright. This is because random facts don't belong to anyone. The information is all public domain and easy to find. So whether you find facts on a blog online or use ChatGPT, you will be absolutely fine. The key is making the video original and interesting so it does not look like spam, mass produced content. And the 5th reason is this is also a scalable niche, which means you can upload the same videos on other platforms like Instagram and YouTube Shorts. There are many video types that only work on TikTok. They do not work on other platforms. Equally, there are also many video types like this one which also work on other platforms, which then means at the same time while you're growing your TikTok, you can also be growing your Instagram Reels, you can also be growing your YouTube Shorts as well, opening more opportunities for you to make money online using the very same piece of content. I'm one of those examples where I uploaded a video on TikTok. It didn't do very well, but because it was a video type that could be uploaded on other platforms, I uploaded it on my YouTube and that video ended up getting millions of views on YouTube as well. I talk about that in another video that I've done in the past. One of these accounts has done exactly this and they now have 436k subs on YouTube, more than their followers on TikTok. So you just have to shorten the videos to less than 1 minute on YouTube and Instagram Reels so they fit in within the category. Now, further proof that this is a lucrative niche is that smaller account first uploaded their video in September 2023 and the larger account started in July 2023. Both accounts are now getting a ton of views on their videos and they are way past the minimum requirements for the creativity program beta. We're going to talk about how much money they make shortly, and we're also going to reveal what the account names are, but first let's look at how they put their videos together. So pretty much all of their videos are more than a minute long, which confirms that they are definitely within the creativity program beta. The music comes from the TikTok app directly, so that's easy enough. The B-roll playing in the background is a combination of weird, satisfying videos, which can be found on free websites like Pexels.com. Here's a free power tip for you. Before you actually create the videos, consider downloading the satisfying clips, combining them, and creating around 5 to 10 videos that you can use over and over again. This is because these videos usually don't have anything to do with what is being said in the video anyway, so this will save you a ton of time starting from scratch every time you create a new video. In terms of the content, this is the easy part. You can go into ChatGPT and ask it to generate some random facts for you completely free. For example, here I'm asking it to generate 30 random facts about the human brain. Because this information will always remain the same, it doesn't matter if you use the free version of ChatGPT and it doesn't matter that it's only up to date up until 2021. These facts are evergreen. The information will always be the same. It's not like you're looking for something that is only true in 2023 or 2022, which is another really huge benefit. The video descriptions are very simple. You just use 3 to 5 hashtags based on your video title and based on what people are searching for. These accounts are using the same descriptions over and over again because it's what works. For editing the video, you just use free editing tools like CapCut and make sure that the video is just over a minute long each time. Also make sure to put auto captions on and select the option that only puts one word at a time on the screen to build up your watch time. Here's another power tip. These videos are including call to actions within the video script seamlessly with the facts as well. For example, they'll say one fact like the human brain is the size of a dolphin brain or something. That's not true. That's just something I'm saying randomly. And then once they say that fact, they will include a call to action seamlessly in there. Like for example, they'll say none of the comments on this video have 0 likes. If they do, that person is the chosen one. Or they might say something along the lines of, you will find the love of your life if you click share more WhatsApp. These are clear call to actions that help to raise engagement on these videos. But even though the viewers know that, they will still do that. They will still raise engagement and they will still have the video be seen by more people because they're included so seamlessly within the content of the video. Now, in terms of how often they post, it's at least once a day or once every few days. I would advise you to post multiple times a day when you're starting out for at least 30 days. So you can build up some analytics and see which video topics are getting more engagement. Then once you understand what works, double down on that content until you start to see some results, start to see some money coming in, followers, etc. Then from there, you can decide to whether you want to slow down or whether you want to continue uploading multiple times a day, whatever works for you, for your schedule, for your budget. In terms of how much money they make, the bigger account had 2 videos that blew up in August last year and they got a combined total of 42 million views. Now, based on an RPM, which is around 50 cents, they made 21,000 just from those 2 videos. Now, we know that the RPM can go up to as high as even $2 in some cases, so they could have also made up to $60,000 just from those 2 videos alone, or slightly less than that month. Even if we take into account qualified views, they still would have absolutely smashed out anywhere from $10,000 all the way up to $30,000 that month alone. This is not taking into account all the other smaller videos that are also blowing up. This is just taking into account those 2 videos. Looking at the smaller account, they had 2 videos that blew up in October last year with a combined 3.2 million views. Just from those 2 videos, they would have gotten anywhere from $1,600 all the way up to $3,200 just from those 2 videos alone. Again, we don't know what the exact RPM is, so they could have made much more than that. Now, for those of you that have watched up until now, I can reveal that the smaller account is called Facts Factory 125 and the larger account is called Cal Genius. Feel free to check them out for some inspiration if you are starting your faceless journey. And another important thing to remember is these are not the only good niches for small faceless accounts on TikTok. There are many other small faceless accounts that are making all the way up to 10k per month on the Creativity Program Beta. And if you click on the video that's on the screen right now, I will show you exactly what they do.